didn't see it coming.
It's possible.
And what did you do after the fact? The thing is what happened after she kissed you.
I'll tell you what.
Is what happened after she kissed you.
I didn't kiss back. I just noticed somebody just kissed me.
No, but she kissed you.
Oh, not me really, but
she kissed you and you now continued. You didn't say, what the hell is going on?
Yeah, because
you can't do that.
Because
a normal person would say something, but men will, no, but I'm a man. What was I supposed to do?
No, it's because of this, baby.
Just to receive it.
So, let's talk about the 5 common lies told by cheaters. Do you have anything in mind?
Common lies told by cheaters.
I just saw one. 5 common lies told by cheaters.
Nothing comes to my head.
Yeah, because you're not a cheater, baby.
Hey, nothing comes to my head.
All right, so let's go through some of this. Let me see what you think.
Did it first.
Yeah.
Right.
I blame you. You pushed me to do this. That's crazy, right? I blame you. You pushed me to do this. That's terrible, right? Do you think that's even possible in the first place? Can somebody push you to cheat?
Well, if you're playing tit for tat.
No.
Feel like
the question was a lot more straightforward than that, babe. Come on.
No, but to be honest, no. But again, people can say, "Oh no, this person did it first, so I'm doing it. I'm paying you in your own coin." But no, you're right. No one can push you to cheat. There's no excuse. There's no excuse for it, and it's your choice. Okay, it's still
you made
a
choice
at the end of the day. Even if you are weak, it's still a choice. Still a choice.
Yeah.
You were strong enough to make that choice.
It's like one of those things where people say, "Oh, they blame mental health for everything." Like, no, it can still be mental health, and you can still blame you for it. You commit a crime, you're a criminal. You can still go back deeper.
Now they're making every mental health people that are mentally challenged. They're making them look like criminals, and I'm like, no,
right?
That is wrong. You are a criminal, point blank. Period. It has nothing to do with your mental health. We'll talk about that later.
So you think
just committed?
So that's it's still a crime, yes.
Yes.
But we can still talk about the fact that mental health is involved.
Yes, right. But we're not gonna use that to excuse your behavior of of the crime you just committed.
Well, the thing is that whenever you bring it up at all, before you even say ask,
they will bring the mental.
No. You're on the other side. I'm on the other side. Don't come on my side, okay?
What do you mean?
Before you say ask, they assume you said excuse. All you said is mental health.
No. When you bring up mental health, when we're talking about the crime, you are minimizing what that person just did. We need to separate them. We're not saying it's not involved with your mental health, but we're talking about this crime right now. We need you to understand.
So let's apply. So let's apply it to this. Let's apply it to this. I blame you. You pushed me to do it. No, you did it.
That's a punkish way of getting out of something, of being a victim.
You did it.
Yes.
Okay, good. Now
I agree.
Now, there's another one. Somebody said mental health. I was just having that discussion today. I'll bring it in real quick, right? Somebody said there's no such thing as mental health. The only thing I know as mental health is psychosis, and that's when you see them in Yaba Market already.
No, those are extreme.
Oh, it's extreme for you now.
Yes.
Because a few days ago.
I'm not disagreeing that there are mental health issues. But every time a crime is committed, people run to mental health. Do you know this is a thing in the court of law?
What do you mean by,
right?
what do they normally say when they run to mental health? Explain that.
I don't know. So
how do you know they run to mental health?
Because if you watch there's a shooting situation that the guy involved claim that it's mental. Isn't it the guy that went to shoot up the hood or something like that?
Well,
He's claiming
they
mental
use
health.
it. They use it.
They
no.
use it to get away with
anytime,
stuff.
anytime there's a shooting involving white people, they tend
Especially
to.
race involved.
Yeah, they tend to. When defense lawyers come and they try to defend them, that's their go-to because
That's what I'm
defense
saying.
Because that's what defense lawyers do. They do.
So
they go
does
to.
that excuse the crime, though?
No. But it's called defense lawyer. That's what they do. They get paid to do that. It doesn't excuse it. Guess why they're in court? Because they're criminals.
This is why people get away with stuff.
Anyway, let's go to number 4.
This is why people get away with stuff.
Number 4th lie that they tell. You're being crazy or paranoid.
Yeah, of course. If somebody is doing something to you, they make you feel like the crazy one. Every time, there are times that you see women out there. Okay, I'm gonna have to speak on. I know it's not
That's
part
fine.
of it, but I'm gonna use Annie Dibia and Two-Face
Lobaton.
as an example.
Every
Every time you see Annie acting crazy,
Right.
you look at her and say, this one is just crazy. Who's behind it making her crazy?
Yeah, who?
Two-Face.
No, herself. Stop, baby.
Excuse me. Boy, he adds to it. He does. But she is also responsible for where she is because, hey, you know the situation.
I think
that
it's
you
the
are
word
in.
responsible. I agree with you that your environment can create a certain way of behavior.
Exactly.
I agree with that. But when you say responsible, that means that person
She's
is
responsible.
that means that person owns the responsibility to respond to your behavior, and they don't.
No, I'm talking
Responsible,
about
respond.
when they mess with your head. That's a real thing.
Oh, when they say you're being crazy or paranoid.
Yeah,
No.
when they mess with your head.
Okay, all right. So of course they're supposed to say you're being crazy or paranoid because you didn't catch them.
Red-handed.
You caught them.
So they deny, yes. So you cut them here and they slip off all the
All
time.
right. Nonetheless, it's a very common lie. Number 3, she is only a friend. Let me change this because this is not nice. Let's put this here because a lot of people are having work husband these days.
Eh? So now you put E/she is
He or she
You're speaking
is
for the
only
dudes.
a friend.
Okay.
Does it happen? Yeah,
Of course. A lot.
But does that mean they're not telling the truth? This is the tricky part.
That's the blurry line,
Does that mean they're not telling the truth? This is the tricky part. Yeah. Right? Let me use this one. Okay, there's a lot more lies that they tell. We're just, again, these are some of the things. Now, they could be telling the truth. I think what most people tend to do is they're trying to make everything absolute and say, oh, because Ola posted these reasons and you said it, that means you're lying. That's not true. Okay? You're going to see a lot of articles around, 5 ways of doing something, 5 lies of something, 5 signs of...
It's not absolute now.
There's no absolutes, okay? Number 2, you're never willing to try anything new. There's something wrong with this statement all by itself that makes it disingenuous. That's another word that's been thrown around a lot.
Social media lingos. I can't.
There's something wrong with this statement by itself. What do you think it is? No, first, just speak your mind on it first, and then we'll talk about what I think is wrong with the statement in the first place.
If someone is never willing to try anything new, are they just, to me it feels like this person has always been that way.
Right.
And you married them anyway.
Right.
So why are you complaining about that?
And suddenly now
That
you
is
feel
not
like...
the issue.
Yeah.
There's something deeper than that.
Yeah.
That's just an excuse.
Yeah.
That's how I see it.
But also the buzzword here is never. Anytime somebody uses never or always,
it's exaggerated.
it's exaggeration.
Yes.
So exaggeration is a form of lie.
It's like a colorful,
It's a lie. It's a
No,
lie.
exaggeration is not always a lie. It's something that is overly
I'm not talking about
painted.
package, It's a lie.
It's painted.
It's a lie.
So this thing can happen for real, but then I added my own little color around it.
Yeah.
That means I've exaggerated it. It doesn't mean that the whole thing did not exist.
Inaccuracy is a lie.
Whatever. If you say so.
Number 1, it wasn't
I'm not
technically
a dictionary,
cheating.
I don't know.
It wasn't technically cheating, baby.
Oh no, this is a good one that they will tell you. She kissed me. I didn't kiss her.
Baby, people can kiss me and not kiss them.
I didn't see it coming.
It's possible.
And what did you do after the fact? The thing is, Is what happened after she kissed you.
I'll tell you what.
Is what happened after she kissed you.
I didn't kiss back. I just noticed somebody just kissed me.
No, but she kissed you.
Oh, not me really, but
she kissed you and you now continued. You didn't say, what the hell is going on?
Yeah, because
you can't do that.
Because
a normal person would say something, but men will, no, but I'm a man. What was I supposed to do?
No, it's because of this, baby.
Just to receive.